Hey everyone, welcome to Tutorial Lore. In today's video, I'll show you how to create product bundles in Shopify using the Essential Upsell app to boost your sales. Make sure to watch till the end for all the details. Let's get started. Step 1. Install Essential Upsell app. First, log into your Shopify dashboard. Head to the Shopify App Store and search for Essential Upsell. Click on the app, then install and grant the necessary permissions. Step 2. Create a new bundle. Once the app is installed, open it and navigate to the Bundle section. Click on Create Bundle and choose the type of bundle you want to offer, such as Buy One, Get One, Frequently Bought Together, or a custom bundle. Step 3. Select products for the bundle now, add the products you want to bundle, choose items that complement each other to encourage customers to buy more, adjust product pricing if needed, and set bundle discounts to make the deal attractive. Step 4. Customize bundle display. Essential Upsell allows you to design how your bundle appears on the product page. You can modify the layout, colors, and text to match your store's branding. Enable bundle visibility on relevant product pages. Step 5. Publish and test your bundle. After setting everything up, click Save and Activate. Visit your store's product pages to check how the bundle looks. You can also test the checkout process to ensure discounts apply correctly. And that's it. You now know how to create high-converting product bundles in Shopify using the Essential Upsell app. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tutorial Lore for more Shopify tips. See you in the next video.